BTS just dropped Swim official performance video. Now, I think I've already seen a performance of Swim. Obviously, if you watched the Netflix live stream, which was crazy, you could check out my reaction to that on my Patreon. Go check it out. Reaction to the Netflix performance. Link in the description. Go check it out. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Bro, I always thought they were saying, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Like, my dear. Well, I've been saying that. My job. Matt. I was sleep deprived. I feel like BTS. Listen, I gotta blame BTS. I've been sleep deprived. I've never been sleep. Listen, I'm too old for this, y'all. If you've been watching me since the beginning, I've been there since the beginning. I sound like an old. I am. Dre, you are an OG. You an OG, but I really do sound like an OG for real. I mean, BTS has been in my life since their debut. Some of y'all made playlists of my like reactions from the beginning to now. It's so interesting to see how I become a fan, like an army, bro. Again, congratulations to BTS for their album, their comeback. I'm excited for what's to come as well. But again, we're gonna check out, as you see in the title down below, BTS Swim official performance. Without further ado, let's check it out. 3, 2, 1. Do we need captions? Oh my God, they starting with you. That look up.
How about?
Man, they always really be starting with JK. I'm not complaining though. He look good. What the hell is he wearing? Look good on him. I get chills when he says, I spent a lifetime watching you. I don't know about you. I'm gonna be talking a lot in this one. Don't even bother me. And then you got Jimin hitting me up on the side. I could spend a lifetime watching. Listen. Also, reaction to the album is out on my Patreon as well.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Oh, is this before he was injured? Because I remember seeing it. Unless he's injured here too. Oh, no, I'm damn. Looking like a goody goody in this bad world. Let's break it down. Where you at? He said he going full in. Damn. Hold on, he got the Timbs on. Ooh. Ooh. You know, in the actual performance, like I didn't get to like really concentrate on the choreo like this, but this is nice. Ooh. Ooh. Watching you. Ooh. Yuki come through. Oh, the choreo in the background too. It's a lot of like, yeah. Where you running to? Wait, how does it go? Is it like hold up. Damn. Wait, hold on. Can I learn this? So it's like swim, water. Hold up, let me break this down. So, and then it goes, yeah. Then down, bow, wah. And then, like this. Then body roll like a swimming. Okay, we swimming like Jimin. Yeah, we swimming like Jimin. Hey. Water falling off your skin. Hold up. Water falling off your skin. I'll get it one day. I could spend a lifetime watching you. Well, we swimming too. You know, it's been a minute since I went for a swim, actually. Inspiration. Two fins? So sad. I just wanna die. Oh, I don't know. Listen, I need to be careful for you. I am in a relationship, sir. I'll watch it again though. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim. Oh, don't be whispering in my ear like that. I know you're not whispering though. I just wanna dive. Is that the boat? There was a boat behind them this whole time. It's the fact that I just now noticed the boat. The boat's behind them. Wait, are these like the props from the? Wait, this is a nice looking boat. Where they come from? Damn. And he walking like that towards me. I was fooled. Oh, did I do it? Did I do it? Did I? I'm crusty though. I'm like a crusty BTS. Swim, performance MV. I mean not MV, performance video. Got to see the choreo more. That's why I started learning like at least that part. Put a comments down below what you guys think of the album. I feel like my take after listening to the first album, personally, I think it's better than the English songs that they previously released before they went to the military. So I've been really enjoying it. I see like everybody's reactions and reviews everywhere, and you know, I get from both sides, you know, whether you are actually giving a critical, like, you know, not like a bullshit opinion, like you're just hating. Like I don't like listening to those, but they do come up on my For You page. But like I like to hear people's opinions of why they either like it or don't like it, and I learn from it. I like to see other people's perspectives. So put a comments down below what you guys think. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you want to see my reaction to the Netflix live stream, the BTS comeback live of Arirang. Put a comment. Link in the description for the Patreon. Click there. Be sure to check it out. And my reaction to the first listen is my reaction to the album is up on Patreon as well for free. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I don't know when that's gonna be. I mean, I'd be streaming on Twitch though, playing games. I'd be playing video games though. Dre Day. Go follow Dre Day. That's my other second channel for gaming. Anyways, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.